Welcome back to yet another video, and today it's again about my starter set I created in conjunction with Keskin and with Timur. I received yesterday the second batch, 58 starter sets with a 25-pound bow version. And now I would say I just take randomly one bag, open it, and we see what is inside and how it performs. So let's see which one should we take. We take this one here. So I'll take random and X. This plastic cover sticks together. So I got them now in plastic covered, so I save a little time. But yeah, I guess I have to redo the plastic cover. So let's see what's inside. Let's assume this plastic was nice wrapped around. What do we get? Let's see. Et voila. So we are greeted with, you see everything? This target sheet rolled together, nice. The quiver was supposed to be in a plastic wrap, but it's not. The bow in 25 pounds, and I don't get that some people want to order a starter set bow and then they are surprised that the bow is 25 pounds only. It's a starter set, guys. Starter set means, you know, you watched my videos and you know. So here is now the pouchy instead of plastic bags. And there you get, first of all, this, we have now left hand and right hand version. So this is the left hand, nice brown leather, looking good. You get the thumb protector, unfortunately in different leather, but what can I do? And you get, because I always complain, put a second string in, you get 2 strings for your bow. So one we leave outside. This stuff we don't need, we put it back. And you get upgraded, obviously. Yep. So, go in, come. Yeah. So. And you get now 6 arrows. Look at this. 6 nice arrows, and they have now these really nice wood knocks on it. So not only you know, cut in, they have really a special made wood knock, which gives this whole thing a complete new feeling. Let's see if they're all. And look at this time. I put them together, and what you see, they're all the same length this time. So that's nice. Very good so far. So this is what you get. The plastic, unfortunately, not really working. Here you get on the pouch even stitched on logo if you like it. If not, it's there. So we have everything what was supposed to be in the starter set. Good. And even more obviously because we have now 6 arrows instead of 3. And we have a second string, and we have better quality arrows. So let's see, little close up of the bow. It's still the same. We have now only a reddish color handle, and the logo is now a little more pronounced here, and you see a bit better that it's a B or an A. B stands for the 25 pound and A for the 20 pound version. So the string, I have no idea. Same length on both sides. The bow is symmetrical anyway. Let's string it, step through. 25, oh boy, I think it's more than 25 pounds. So nice. So look at this, looking good. What happened now to 2 of the bows I tested, I obviously didn't test all of the bows, is once I strung them, show you. They were looking a little odd. You see that the tiller is completely off here. I tried to fix that for a while. Then it was working, but it went back in this shape. So I guess there is in the production something went wrong. That's the first one. And That's why I started decorating this one. And this one the same, so I guess it just can happen that your bow is out of tiller when you string it. This one not that much, but you see it's obviously here less than here. You can try and fix it, but I guess it's not possible. So if this happens, it will always go back in this shape again. Especially when you leave it in the sun or something, then you see the weak point. If this happens, just take a photo, send the bow back to me, and I will replace it as long as I have bows here. So that's unfortunate. I didn't think that it could happen because these things are made in a mold. But you can't look inside the material, can't you? So I shoot now 3 of these pretty new arrows. They feel good. They knock tight. Of course they're a little heavy for a 25 pounder. But the arrows are supposed to be 30 inches, and at 30 inches the bow has 30 pounds roughly. So does everything you want. Shoots nice groups. Kind of nice groups. Obviously you will not win a speed competition with this bow, but it's a beginner's bow, a training bow, so you learn how to shoot with thumb release. But for this it works really nice, so this bow is really nice. Does the job nicely. Starting to shoot groups, so these bows just perform nice. There's not much going on, you have heavy arrows, it's fine. If you care about being traditional, of course you want to shoot your wood arrows, no problem. They're really good. So on it you have, at least you have 6 now. It's fine. And they work nice, spined nicely. So you can shoot them, it's no problem at all. Boom! But the fun begins here with the 1000 spine. They are now from Nijora. The bark, forgot the name again. Bark 1000 in 30 inches. There's a special edition on the Nijora website. They are just then this bow makes more fun and way more precise. Then it's a bow. So, but of course you want to start, your budget is a little lower. And speaking of budget, we have on the 2 strings, we have 6 arrows, we have better arrows, and we have of course the inflation, which was everywhere a thing. The first set was supposed to be 120 euros, now we manage 150. So the starter set will be 150 euros plus shipping. I have 57 sets, usable sets. And I have a bit more than 60 pre-orders, but I guess not every pre-order will order now, so I will send now out emails in the next few days to everyone who pre-ordered a set or 2, if they still want it, for the price and including shipping and what have you, because I did not know the details until yesterday. Now I know them, now I know the price, 150 euros for the set. And then we see how many are left or what have you, or if I have any left or something, and then we go from there. I have a few extra bows of the new version in 25 pounds, roughly 20. So if somebody only wants to buy a bow, but I don't know the price yet, only of the bow, I need to check the list again, which I don't have now with me, but I can tell you later. One more time, the wood arrows. They wobble a little, and of course, but they're wood. It's okay. Maybe a little too stiff. I had in Belgium a few that drew this bow then 32 inches, which the bow is capable of, but of course it's efficiency wise not useful. So 30 inches like here, it's just fine. Look at this. A good bow. Indeed. I guess speed-wise nothing changed, unless the bow got a little stronger. Maybe check the poundage thing quickly. So 30 inches, didn't measure. Too slow. The wood arrows are too slow. Oh, 98. Hooray. To be Catra, then it's 90. And the carbon ones, 139. 143. 145. No, not so bad. That's what we all want to know. At 28. What we want to know, lips. Let's see. Put it up there. So. 28. I'm at 19 pounds. Interesting. Felt a little more. And I don't know how they measure turkey. So this is really it. Let me check again. So this is here. I'm not sure if you can see it. 28 inches here. So and we always measure to the back, right? Not that I'm wrong here. And it's an official Eastern measuring arrow from Bogensport Austria. Again. Until here. 20 pounds. Doesn't get any better. So then let's draw to 30 inches. Go away, fly. 30 would be here. So 30 inches. Maybe my scale is broken, so this is the only thing I could now think of. £23. So this I'm not sure. Doesn't feel like 25 or even 30. What they told me. Feels yeah, maybe 22. Something 20. 25. That's what you get. What can I do? They react differently on heat. This is now the B, supposed to be, and I saw a video of them measuring this bow and it had 28, 29 pounds, but my scale doesn't give me more than what I just showed you. And because it's an interesting issue, I tested one of the old A bows, which is supposed to have 20 pounds at 28 inches. I put my thingy again on 28. £11. Don't know what's wrong. So either my scale is wrong, but I don't have another one here. So what can I say? So if this is supposed to be 20 and has now 11, means 9 pounds, it shows less. Then the other one might have 25, but I cannot confirm that. This one feels like, yes, feels like the Kipatsi bow with 15 pounds now. But even here you have, maybe there you have 20 pounds. So I can of course go now through all the bows and check them, but I don't. Disassembled now the scale from Josh's ballista, so that I have another scale here to measure. So lips at 0. Yeah, 17, 18. Doesn't get more, so it's not the scale. If you don't believe me. I throw fully till here. 20 inches, 17 pounds. So I would consider this bow more likely, not this bow more likely at 20 pounds, another 25 pounds. Can I do? For training, they are still great. I had them now everywhere in Germany, in Belgium, Switzerland. They are just great for training. But of course they are not 25 pounds. What can I do? So they have 20 pounds. This is a little better than the Carpathian bow Keskin is selling, unfortunately. So I have 57 sets here. I said I will ask the pre-orders if they want to have one. If there are still some left, you can write me an email. 150 euros for this bow with the arrows, with the quiver, with the arm guard, with the hand and protection and everything in the box. And you can have it, and after that I don't know if there will be any more, maybe directly then from Turkey, but I keep you posted what is going to happen with the starter set. And unfortunately that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.